Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Said and you are watching my YouTube channel Rubat TV. Dear viewers, today we will talking about the LGBT movement and what is the purpose of LGBT. If you want to know this, please stay with us. Nowadays, it has become very common that boys and girls want to marry of a boy or a girl of the same sex instead of marrying to each other because they feel sexual desire in each other and consider it their right to they can do it, which is why many countries have allowed it and other countries are being forced to accept it. What is LGBTQ? Do you have any idea about it? Maybe not. So let me explain. Do you have any idea which types of human beings in all over the world? Modern research has shown that there are about 56 types of human beings who feel an interest in each other, not in a opposite gender but in own sex, because each is also inclined towards the other sex. With this mindset, an American article on the sexual right movement of different sexes came into being. The term of LGBTQ has been spoken and understood since the 1990s, but its effect began to take a shape in the 1980s, where this is a concept that threatened many religions as well, because under the guise of denigrating religions as inferior and outdated, you can disprove any moral value in our society, because if you allow this movement, if given, it will bury the funeral of customs and moral values. Of course, that's why religion consider it bad. But you have to consider for yourself 56 types of humans, and that too is a very amazing thing for human beings. What do you think about it? Write your opinion in the comment section. It is also being said that through this movement the rights of men will be abolished and men will not be able to do anything for their accord. Is this really going to happen? I can't believe it. The men work in their lives just for a woman, endures hardships and take troubles. But how is it wrong for a woman and the people of opposite sex to say that the man is flawed and the man is wrong? If the purpose of this movement is not to demean anyone, then it will remain as a movement, but it is not at all. Its purpose is to create a system of high and low within human beings, which some may be portrayed as good and some may be as bad. They will judging us by our gender, not by our character. The real humanity is that we are all equal in our rights, but the religion, politics and the moral values are endangered under the guise of gender. People will turn to against it and they have no logic to opposing their point of view on us. The goal is to bring down someone or lift someone. No matter how much the movement spreads, it will remain wrong, because the wrong thing is wrong even if the whole world calls it right, and the right thing is right even if the whole world say it wrong. Tell me your opinion in comment section about LGBT movement. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please share this message to Rising Up. Thank you.